HACC is embarking on a campaign focused on the following 4 initiatives. 1. Scholarships for students. 2. Our Emergency Assistance Fund to assist certain students. 3. Renovations of the Cooper Student Center. And 4. The President's Fund for Excellence, which is an innovation fund to assist in our teaching and learning.
Receiving financial assistance, it really makes it possible for me to even go to college.
To receive the scholarship means a lot to me because I'm a mother of 2 autistic children.
I have a family to take care of, and so just that extra financial assistance, it helps a lot, because without it, I probably wouldn't be here right now.
I want to show my kids that working hard gets us places in life.
The emergency assistance funds are crucial to our students' success. The fund provides up to $500 in emergency funding to a student who is facing an unanticipated or an unexpected financial crisis that could potentially impact their ability to stay in school.
Well, the Cooper Student Center really serves our students well from a student life standpoint now that we've renovated it. And I think now that we've done these renovations, students can come and spend time together, get counseling, get advising, get their admissions questions answered, and they can do all these things in one place.
The President's Fund for Excellence is this amazing fund that allows any HACC employee to come up with great ideas. For instance, faculty members like myself might have some new innovative idea for their classroom, and we're able to come and ask for money that is unrestricted.
We ask you to invest in us, impact our students, and inspire others.
HACC is gratefully yours.
HACC is thankfully yours.